Deadbolt with the MofoRC lift kit put onto it and some big tires and wheels I stole off of a toy. It still rubs a little bit on the frame, but it also has some moves when it gets going. For the stock motor, that's pretty good. Notice they're not quite the same size as the Bigfoot 5 wheels, but same toy. Stolen off of a toy John Deere tractor. Probably need to put four-wheel steering on this one too. MofoRC lifted Deadbolt. If you like what you see, click the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more old school monster trucks in the living room, crushing cars. Have a nice day.